So we're bringing the R3 from this to this. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? So today I took my friend Yamaha R3 to get the cat or catalytic converter removed. So basically the bike, the stock exhaust was already removed and it was replaced. So we're just gonna take out the cat to make the bike sound loud and nice.
Muffler is out. Brother, you see, if you look down in this, a basic to kill the sound. No, you want to hear it sound though. You hear that sound, brother? Grind, brother. Oh, bad.
Alright, so I know you're wondering what's the process like. Now, basically this is a cheap and easier way of us removing or making the bike louder. Because, you know, we're not into that American society thing. You know, we don't have the money to buy like Akrapovic exhaust and Yoshimura and, you know, those type of full system exhausts. We don't even have the cash to buy a slip-on. So we have like a Chinese muffler on the bike, and basically we just took it to one of our local, these are muffler experts, you know, that these guys know what they're doing. So basically took it to them and they're gonna do their magic.
Oh, this is just 1 kilo 12-inch them there. The rims them. I can't 13. I 12 them there. 13. Hey, look. Small. You look like a good. Hey, it's up to you, you know, man.
No, they know what you want. That's when the muffler shorten it fall here. So because if me put the muffler here, so when you shorten it,
it has still come out.
So.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing you say. When the muffler shorten, you want when the muffler shorten, the tip of the muffler there. So.
Right.
Oh, so when me put this here, so now when you cut out the muffler and bring it down, the tip of it fall here. So.
Right. Yeah.
Before so even cut off the whole.
Cut off more, right.
And put on back this here, so. You understand?
Good. I don't know how it work for you then, man.
I got to get the pipe in the tube.
Oh. This what I use? This what I use?
Yeah.
This big. It's big enough?
Big?
A pipe here? Yeah, man.
No, man.
It look like a 3-inch pipe.
No, man, you're not showing from past that.
Eh?
Same size like the muffler. You know, so that's why I make me to put it near the muffler, because where you do me now, do want to do it back.
Oh.
You don't want well. The
Oh, just push on.
Well, and you get 2 strings.
True.
See it there?
And just.
You see the same size? So it and that, this is even bigger, because this will go inside.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
you see it? I just see it right for a while. 2 inch and it's right. You understand?
Yeah, the man, you know.
No, but every man come want something different, so I have to show you fully.
Yeah, for me understand.
Yeah, just like when you want the muffler is a good thing you say. And when you don't know, when you put on that muffler, anything you don't have to touch nothing again.
Yeah.
Just put it on back.
So we're out here basically. So we're out here basically getting the muffler. We took this off. This is the huge, I think it's called a catalytic converter. So they cut it off from there, and let me show you guys where it was. So this was all the way, I think it was turned over like this. It was up here. Yeah, so we just take it off. Yo, this thing weighs like what? 3-4 pounds. So I guess we're gonna save some weight as well, right? So basically we're gonna get the welder to weld on piece of pipe and then have the muffler. We're gonna cut this muffler to make it shorter about right here, so make it shorter, you know, so it look neater. Yeah, bad R3, you know. Yes, man. So we out here in the workyard, you know, Jamaican style, everything raw. Everything raw. Probably want to cut off a bit more. Already.
Look on the muffler from the iron thing, you know, because of that
You don't want to rub against the frame?
No, nothing.
Alright, me see your finger there, there's space.
But it's straight.
Yeah, that is straight.
Mistake. Griminess is nice, you know. Enough man. You're nice and things are nice at power. Yeah?
Yeah, true, yeah, that.
See me?
Yeah, that's not true, yes.
1 year it and sound wicked fire and lick out and things.
And I lose power.
And I lose power, you know.
That's true, man.
The back, after I build back this, the back pressure like.
Right.
Else it not gonna have no power. See a boy I said I buy it.
Oh, I hear him when he press it out, so. Yeah, good on there, so. Alright, we're all done now. Muffler. Well on. Eh? Yeah? Nothing in there. Do that now. That have been your screw them. Yeah. No, just the juice.